birthday next week.
What's wrong, Ari? What's going on?
It's my birthday soon. I'm having a small party at home, and I really want you to come.
Seriously? Wow! Congratulations, Ari. It must be really exciting for you.
As usual, I have prepared a lot of surprise for you and my friends.
Oh, I'm curious about the surprise. So, when is the party?
Saturday midnight, I have prepared delicious food, fun games, and of course, really birthday cake.
I will let him know. Thank you for inviting me.
Welcome, June. I can't wait to see you at my party.